Little video. So, John, how's your experience today with Wilson's Kayak Adventures?
David here.
David. John, how you doing over there?
Thank you.
So, David, how we doing on today on your,
Collecting fish.
Yeah? First time out? How long were you out?
Actually, this is my first owner. Never caught an owner before. Well, you have now.
Alright, good job, man.
Good deal. Thank you very much. Yeah? Well, just got lucky.
Wilson, good job, my friend.
We're going to orbit a little bit.
Hey, this is a little bit different than the last week's adventure that...
Yeah, I was just telling them about the sinking out here.
Yeah. Well, we posted...
We're about in the right spot, though.
That's good looking, Ono. Right on.
Yeah,
good job, man. Beautiful day. John, you ready to catch one of those?
Kind of a half a loop here.